Okay, here I will show you some tips while using the SEER Flow Editor. It is important to know that specific nodes can only be connected to others. They are color-coded to help you with this. When connecting a node, press and hold on the left mouse button and drag over to the node you want to connect to. You will notice an illuminated point on that node indicating that you may make the connection. Specific nodes cannot be connected to others, such as an input cannot be connected to a delay. So when attempting your connection, you will notice no illumination on the panel, and it will not allow you to complete the connection. Another important tip is to know that when generating a completed sequence that you cannot connect to multiple outputs at once. Therefore, when making the connection to an output, it will allow you to do the first, but if attempting to do more than one, it will actually switch to that output. Also regarding a buzzer, when you're utilizing a buzzer output, it is defaulted not to be set to either. A buzzer output can be utilized for either buzzer or a conventional wired output, and you must tell it to do so before it will allow you to make that connection. Open up the settings panel and select a value to either buzzer or output. In this case, we are going to use it as a buzzer, and then it will allow us to make that connection. You can also duplicate nodes by doing one of two things, either selecting, or if you want to do multiples, you can hit Control and select multiple, Control C, Control V to duplicate. You can delete the connection in between by left-clicking on the dot and hitting delete. And then furthermore, you can also duplicate a singular node by right-clicking and pressing clone, and that will generate an additional one. It is very important to know that the SEER Flow Editor auto-saves your session every 30 seconds. So if you make a mistake and would like to go back, if it is not within that 30-second window, you can utilize the refresh icon at the top of the screen to go back. For example, if we delete this buzzer output by accident and would like to go back, go ahead and refresh your page and it will redraw that for you. Just be aware that if you are approaching the 30-second window, you may not be able to utilize this step.